Welcome to John Stay Home! Hello guys! Happy Wednesday! So today, work hard muna tayo. Busy ang aking day home today. So exercise muna kami. Workout muna. Shake about that energy. And then, after sumayaw namin, nag-prepare ako ng coffee. We're gonna do a pretend play today. So, mga barista kami. Ayan. So, nag-prepare ako ng coffee shop for them. And yung mga donut na nakita nyo yung ginawa ko lang talaga mahal bilhin. So, nagtitipid tayo dahil medyo gumana yung creativity natin. So, ginawa ko na lang. Ginamit ako ng budget. So, yun yung mga gagamitin namin. Then, yun yung pretend coffee namin. Meron kaming Starbucks and meron kaming Tim Hortons. Yan, mayaman ang coffee shop namin kasi dalawa yung option. So, ganyan lang. Nakakatuwa lang kasi nag-enjoy yung mga bata. So, ayun lang. And sobrang busy ang shop namin. Marami kaming kinita today. Naubos lahat, taog lahat, pati donut and sandwich. So, ganyan lang yung reality sa coffee shop dito, guys. Nakakatuwa, busy, and may mga mababait at makukulit na customer. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching Jen Stay Home, and thank you for supporting. Have a good day, everyone, and God bless.